So COPA 2019 this year is absolutely different. We're doing it bigger and better. We are adding the recycling element. Remember, one of our key goals as Coca-Cola is to inculcate positive behavior in students. So in as much as we're taking advantage of their footballing talent, I mean, we all agree football brings us together. We're also teaching them how to be change in the environment. We are making them be the change that they want to see themselves.